to the final Sunset GT of the year. We got Mr. Neko-san kicking it with us. A little early today. It's around 8:30. The show starts at 9. Check this out. We got a special guest here. Gray EV110 right over there. By the way, I got a new camcorder. The zoom action is working 100%. Surrounded by a bunch of cop cars here. We got the quadruple duty going on here. Oh, someone's got rejected. As per usual, Sunset GT always organized and tidy. We got the whole Lamborghini section right over here. And we got the Ferrari section over here. We got a Bumblebee with the Ferrari logo. BG Steiner. Wow. Which got the McLarens all lined up on the end over there. It is a McLaren MSO day, so let's go check out the cars real quick. That's a bummer, man. They're putting the EV110 all the way back here. It should be front and center. No way. Check this out. A blue Challenge Stradale. My goodness, that is gorgeous. My favorite car in the entire show. Not a McLaren, but a Lambo. Murcielago SV. Is it balloon white? Man, check that out. That is sick. Ooh, we got that seat cover on the Ferrari right here. There's some Japanese stuff going on here. Ooh, the doors go up on the Murcielago SV. This thing is... Here we go, guys. We got the bird's eye view on the second floor balcony here. No one's here, actually, surprisingly. You get a nice little view here of all the cars. They're playing a lot of copyrighted music down there, so I'm trying to get away from that. I promised you guys footage of the McLarens. You guys have it. I think James's McLaren is right over there. A lot of 570s, 720S's, and we got two Sennas right over there. One's in black, I think, and one is in orange. Dude, we got the brand new Aston Martin Vantages and the Aston DB11 Superleggera. Starts at $300,000, 715 horsepower. Ooh, look at that blue Bentley with the blue interior. No way. Dude, we got a Mondo Dog Leap right over there. Oh, there he is, or she. Most interesting or hideous wrap. You be the judge of this DB11 with the gold wheels and the chameleon wrap. You can't hate on it, you gotta respect it. Someone actually went to the store, the wrap shop, and was like, you know what? That's what I want. Oh my God. They gotta let this guy in. Are you kidding me? No way. That's a bummer. Oh, the V12 Vantage S is bouncing. There we go. Murcielago SV, baby. That is a thing of beauty. There we go. Whoa, got a little swirly there. Dude, as soon as the cop leaves, right? It's a free-for-all. I like that. That's a car worth filming, guys. The EV110 in silver, making its debut appearance here at the Sunset, the final Sunset GT car show of 2018. Dude, he's back, better than ever. I don't know. Is he going? Oh, ay, 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 ay. I don't know, man. There you go. Oh, he's going. Laying down the law. I don't think he's got enough flames, dude. Wow, that is... You guys have the final Sunset GT of the year. Let's roll in here and... Ay, ay, ay. Oh! Mr. Neko-san. Just chilling. And we got a cop hiding. You can sort of see the lights, all the reflections of the cars, but yeah, he's hiding behind this SUV behind me, so... Oh! Looks like someone's getting pulled. Oh no! 2 Ferraris. Making this U-turn right here. Oh. Alright, so he's got the 2 Ferraris over there. Oh man, that's a bummer. Mr. Neko-san, what say you? I think this is a perfect opportunity to do a pull because now the cop's occupied. And that only means one thing. Oh dear. Whoa! In the Evoque, we got Grayson in the SM, we got our buddy Nick, E63 up front. It's like a mini PML quick strike, so to speak. Uh-oh, we got a showdown going on here. Uh-oh. E63S versus the tuned sleeper S7. Oh. Okay, okay. Got a couple new oh man, that cop that put over those 3 Ferraris. Uh-oh. We got the S7 and the Performante. It's over before it's even begun, guys. Typical Los Angeles traffic. Oh, he's sticking his... What? Okay. Whoa, 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 boy. Those Yeezys, or I don't know. I'm not a sneakerhead, so you guys gotta let me know what shoes he's rocking. Currently here at the Purist Toy Drive, there is a massive line just to get in, guys. So hopefully get a couple cars sending it here. Come on. Oh, dude, check out the color of the NSX. Charity event here. Interesting wheels, but that is a larger than average teddy bear, and it's got a dog dabbing on the side of it. Dog's in the stroller. Dog in the, oh, there's a dog in the stroller right over there. Excellent. Dude, guys, I completely blanked. I walked right past this Pagani Huayra. I have a stuffed animal corner. Everyone's got teddy bears. This guy's got a Mondo bear. Whoa. I don't know if I've ever seen that before. Forged carbon on a BMW M4. Holy crap. Okay. Not my cup of tea, but you know, forged carbon is all the rage right now. So front splitter, the hood. I'm imagining the rear as well, right? Oh yeah, the rear lip right here. Woo. Guys, check out this 350Z Star Wars edition. It's got the blaster cannons on the side. We've got R2-D2 and of course a life-size BB-8. I'm gonna check out. Wait, hold on. Obi-Wan Kenobi for 2016. He's running for the presidency, and the interior. Oh my God, that is sick.
Gotta have fun with your car.
I love it, man. I love the costume, dude. That's awesome. James, turn around right now. Yes, sir. Guys. Yeah. There's every imaginable type of car or genre of car here. This man has wrapped his car with wrapping paper. It's got a nice little bow. Oh, and a big one too. JDM fans, we got the Skyline GTRs and the Supra. That is pretty. Oh, and a DB11. Not nice. Skyline. 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 Dog. This guy over here. I'll have to like yell over my camera. Oh, EB110. I did it. I just walked past this to film the dog. We got the DJ kicking into overdrive here, so I'm going to scream over the mic here, guys. I apologize. All right, show's over. Start up. Okay, so we are headed to, I don't really want to say what a show, guys. There it is, the Purist Event 2019. Let's roll on out. All right, guys, the weather is looking a bit grim, but the fresh, crisp Newport OC air here. Listen to this. I know what you're thinking. We're in the OC, we're in Crystal Cove, right next to Javier's, everyone's favorite Mexican cuisine. Which, by the way, I hate to say, guys, this place right here, it's a little overrated. The security guard here just recognized James. Got a selfie. Oh yeah. Here we go, guys. You guys recognize the spot. Come on, OG subscribers, you know what's up. Down the rabbit hole we go, so to speak. It's times like this that I wish I had a circular polarizer. I apologize for the image quality, but we got the quote-unquote baby Mac of the one and only man of Strad here. Remember seeing the Pagani commercial for the Tricolore with the fighter jets? That's aired about, what? I can't remember, 5, 6, 7 years ago? I saw it on YouTube and was blown away. That's why this car right here was a pretty special place in my heart. Of course, the green colored Cinque right here. That's a tough choice. Two extremely rare cars. You know what the weird part is on YouTube? Most of these people on YouTube, especially non-automotive people, they don't know what these cars are. Call me crazy. I know a lot of you subscribers are like car enthusiasts, but dude, I'm telling you right now, when I put the Paganis as thumbnails on my videos, half the people don't even know what they're looking at or care. They'd rather look at like a Lambo or something else. So that's just from what I've seen on my channel. It might be different for other people. Like I said, still a little unsure on the setup, but this one right next to the Centenario, matching blue accents and exposed carbon fiber, changes the game a little bit. And of course, got the green Cinque and the Tricolore. Now, if you guys haven't seen James's live stream, it's live right now. Check out his channel. Link in the description below. That's correct, guys. We had a 53-minute live stream of this entire garage. Check it out. We started up all the cars. Which way you have? The Senna or the Centenario? You can't choose these other cars right over here. 2.2 final edition. Got the door right here. And of course, Vader is in the warehouse. But we got the Diamond Dust right here on the carbon fiber, exposed carbon fiber body right here. Of course, dude, as you guys saw James's live stream, we started up this wire BC and we forgot I had a tune. I'm gonna put a clip of it right here. I don't even know what they did to the exhaust, but dude, it shot flames and I was standing right here and the entire walls were shaking. So. Socal, baby. Let the camera focus. Boom. Well, guys, hope you guys enjoy the video. Got a wide open road. I think I lost James and Max Shostak. I'll slow down a bit.